How you doing, everybody? Matt here, American Campfire Creations. I just got back from a nice hike over on the South Rim Grand Canyon Trail, and we're still out here at our boondocking site, and I'm going to be making some dinner. Tonight I'm making some grilled chicken wings and some roasted garlic broccoli in my iron skillet right on the grates. So I'm going to go ahead and get that going. Pretty easy dinner tonight. So like always, make sure you're being cautious, especially when you're out here, around all the wooded area and everything like that, that you have some emergency water and you're keeping your fire pit in a nice space with dirt and rocks and things like that, not around a bunch of dry brush and things of that nature. So you just gotta use a little bit of common sense when you're doing your fires out here in the woods. But yeah, besides that, let's go ahead and get this food started. Hey everybody, Matt here. I just wanted to remind you to subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and turn on notifications so you can keep track of what it is we're doing out here on the road. I'll see everybody around the next campfire. Now, back to the video. So I went ahead and got my iron skillet on here. It's getting nice and hot, and I'm going to go ahead and throw my broccoli and garlic in there with a little bit of oil and S&P, salt and pepper. And I'm going to go ahead and put my wings right here on the nice hot grates. So I always just throw mine right on there from a frozen state without any sauce or dry rub or anything like that, to give the wings a chance to lose some of that moisture that the water basically that's inside the chicken when they freeze it. So when I cook them, get a little bit of crispiness on the outside, then I take them off, toss them in whatever sauce or dry rub I might be using with some oil, and then put them back on the grill to let the flavor cook into the meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the wings on and get my broccoli in the pan. All right, so broccoli's in the iron skillet. Got our wings on, getting some cooking going on those. Go ahead and add a little bit of garlic to the broccoli and some salt and pepper. Alrighty, so we got the chill off all my wings here, getting a nice char on all the sides. We're gonna go ahead and take these off, toss them in a bowl with a little bit of oil, some S&P, and that's about it. So with my wings off here now in the bowl with some oil, garlic, and S&P, it gives me time to reassess my fire a little bit. If it's not gonna be hot enough, where the hot points are, everything like that. So I go ahead and open the grate up here, move the coals around a little bit so I can get the optimum cooking temperature right where I need it to be, so these will crisp up perfectly. So one of the important factors you want to take into consideration when you're cooking over a campfire like this is making sure that your wings, or any meat for that matter, isn't in the direct flames, because then you're going to get a bitter soot flavor on the meat instead of a smoky charred flavor. And there is a difference between the two, and a lot of people have an issue making that distinction, and they end up cooking their food to a burnt doneness, and that ends up discouraging them from wanting to continue to cook that way. And in my opinion, this is probably one of the best ways to cook meat. I mean, you get an amazing flavor, it's fast, it's cheap, it's easy. Well, it's not necessarily easy, it does take some practice, but I mean, the result is absolutely amazing. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get these off. I'm going to toss them in a little bit more butter and some mixed seasoning of salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and some hickory smoke, and go ahead and enjoy. So everything turned out pretty good tonight. Got the chicken wings, really nice charred color on those. Broccoli turned out really nice here in the iron skillet. We're going to go ahead and enjoy these, and you guys can go ahead and check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you around the next campfire. Have a good night, everybody.